Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: model, Android version, and at least 30% battery so the phone won't cut out. Make sure you know the Google account tied to the device and any recent passwords. This matters because authorized recovery routes use that account. Also check whether Smart Lock or biometrics were active or if a third-party lock app was installed, because that changes the recovery path. Once done, you'll choose the legitimate recovery method that preserves data whenever possible. Next, use authorized tools. Sign into Google's Find My Device from another device. If your account is verified, you can lock with a temporary password or, if necessary, erase, only if you accept data loss. If the phone shows a Forgot Pattern option, tap it and use your Google Sign In to reset the lock. If a third-party lock app is suspected, reboot into safe mode to load only system apps and then uninstall the offending app. This preserves user data and restores access cleanly. If authorized recovery fails, contact Infinix support or an authorized service center and provide proof of ownership. They can confirm identity and perform secure unlocking. Have your IMEI, purchase receipt, and the Google account info ready to speed verification. Remember, a factory reset erases data. Use it only as a last resort and try to back up any accessible data first. If something goes wrong, request escalation to service techs rather than attempting unofficial bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.